guys, mag-explain day ko sa ang Google Map nga gigama. Makita karon nga naata sa Manila kay mao ni ang default location nga gihatag ni ma'am. Kaning search location, anita mag-search og lugar nga gusto nato makita. Kaning map sat mao ni normal map and mao ni ang sat mao ni ang satellite map. Then mao nig kaning plus ug minus mao ning zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. And kaning my location mao nig asa ko nagpundoron or asa ko dapit nga place karon. Magtuplo ko ni. Na ako karon sa Mahayag Norte. Then mag-answer na ko sa 8th question nga gihatag ni ma'am. What is the difference between access point location and access course location? These control how accurately the apps gets location. Fine, uses GPS, while course uses network signals like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Why do we need to request permission at runtime? App must ask the user before using sensitive data like location to ensure privacy and security. What is Focus Location Provider Client and why use it? It's a Google service that gets location efficiently by combining GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for better accuracy and battery saving. How do you add a marker on Google Maps? It places a pen or label on the map at a specific latitude and longitude. What is latitude and longitude, and what does it represent? It represents a geographic coordinate made up of latitude and longitude values. How do you move the camera to a specific location? It focuses or zooms the map view to show a specific location clearly. What happens if location permission is denied? The app can't access the user's location, so location-based features won't work. How do you enable zoom controls on the map? It shows on-screen plus and minus buttons for zooming in and out of the map. Maura day, guys. Thank you.